InfraGuard is a unified server management solution that works across all operating systems, cloud providers, and language stacks to give you the features of patch management, SOP automation, governance, and much more. My name is Deepak and I am the CEO and founder of InfraGuard. And our pitch is simple. What if your server management could be truly automated, secure, and hybrid? What if a single solution from a single dashboard could give you the features of patch management, access management, and automation? Wouldn't it make it easy for you to train your team on? Wouldn't it make it less error prone? And what if all of this could be tied together by centrally enforceable auditory and compliance policies? Sounds like a dream? But with InfraGuard, and after only a few clicks, you can visualize, maintain, and manage your entire server infrastructure, again across regions, providers, and operating systems. InfraGuard is built to work with any existing or new infrastructure. We have three models: a SaaS model, an enterprise hosted model, and an API integration. Whichever model you choose, InfraGuard fits in with your existing identity provider to then supplement with its own role-based access control. This control is highly granular, which means that you can control up to the level of approved and banned commands, approved and banned automations and actions, which gives really fine-tuned control over how you manage your own servers as well as the servers of your clients. And these features extend consistently across all the three pillars of patch management, automation, and governance. Let's dive a bit deeper. Let's say you're a managed services provider who's managing hundreds of clients and thousands of servers. Managing such a large-scale infrastructure often becomes complex and gives you a lot of headaches and errors. But not with InfraGuard. InfraGuard has its unique system where you can divide your different clients into entities which we call companies and further abstractions which we call projects. They make it very simple to put in policies based on the use cases plus allocate access based on the team's requirement of privileges. InfraGuard also has its own intuitive roles. So a patch operator role could be assigned to a person who only needs to do patch related activities, and a reader role, well, as the name suggests, could be given to a person who only needs to do read-only activities. Take it a step further and you can automate even complicated tasks such as patch management and make it less error prone. You can scan servers on demand, download the reports or look at them at the dashboard, filter them based on severity and classification, or feed them into a ticketing system. From there, on approval, they could be led to an installation policies, which can again install on demand at the same time or on a schedule based on your maintenance Windows setup. Now there are tons of fine-tunings which can also be done with patch management. So you could create backups automatically pre and post install. You could run scripts pre and post install, as well as create exclusion lists. So let's say you have a certain patch which shouldn't be installed and could break the system. Put it into an exclusion list and it would never be installed. Patch management has its own detailed reports and dashboards plus live status updates, which makes it very easy for large teams. InfraGuard's patch management is highly sophisticated and customizable. Our clients are using it daily to manage and update thousands of servers with a very small team. They report time saving of 50% right on day one before our dedicated support team helps them with optimizations. InfraGuard understands that server management is a highly varied task. Every enterprise and managed services providers have already set up their own workflows. Hence, any solution which they choose must be customizable. Which is why, in addition to these defined features of patch management and access management, there is an open-ended paradigm to InfraGuard. With its script repository and its API, you can fill in almost any sort of a scenario which your enterprise needs. So whether you're running SAP scripts which need to be maintained, or you are running tons of Apache servers which need to be restarted and cleaned up, or maybe log management or log movement is your need, or perhaps what you need are third-party integrations with some other system, all of those cases are always open with InfraGuard.